National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern and southern Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oregon around 5:25 p.m. Stillman Valley around 5:35 p.m. Rochelle and Hillcrest around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Creston and Davis Junction, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 97 and 114, Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,